$20. $5.
Let's go.
$1. $15. I can talk about that one. That one's a $1. Okay, $1.50. $2. Hey, $10. Money. I legit do not know what's going on. The game went toot toot. Grant available, please. Come on.
Grant.
But I got the gold guy
100
too. That's $100 per motherfucking train.
I think that. Oh, it is in addition to.
Yeah, it's like in the red and the gold. I fucking lucked out. $250 bet. I need like 9 of these guys.
That's saucy.
9 of these motherfuckers. Yep, we got 2. There's 300. 4 motherfucking 100. Just 4.
Not bad.
Plus the 30, so actually like 5. Oh, it's not.